Okay, we got that 93.75 that we talked about just a short while ago, and it's getting late, and that's why I take profits. I said that this high right here was what they were aiming at, trying to push these traders back, and that's a double top right now. So sometimes you'll get an inversion head and shoulders, and then you'll get another good pullback, but not break this, and that'll be a bigger unit of it. So for now, anybody that's trading should take profits end of the day by that 92 to 94, and doesn't have to stop there, but that's a high odds resistance zone based on that high and based on our system and in understanding what I just shared with you before. That's part of our system, and we teach those things. So if you were to go to the member site as you have access to, then go in and click on the various trades that, for example, email me, if you can't make it during the day, and say, okay, tell me what trade today made the most sense. And all of the trades that we have in here are located for members because they recur over and over and over. Mirror days and jump the creek trades and rabbit dog days, those kind of things. And if you come in late and you come in at in the last 10 minutes and say, okay, what should I do? I would tell you that if you are looking for a small scalp trade, try to short the 92 to 94 zone and don't expect a big deal. Maybe get a few points back, as traders who had a nice day are taking some profits. And it's still a risky trade because they could pump it anywhere they want. But the high odds target to be hit in here and start to take profits by this time of day, I would think would be in that 92 to 94 range. And then go and look in our spreadsheet and try to learn each day. Well, what was today? What was today's trade? Today was a cigar day, clearly. So you go back and you look and you say, okay, I get it. Now I get it. That's why you wanted to thrust up. Once they got it above this, and get a stronger push than that 62, the 58 zone. So when we came back today, that should be a buy. Bingo, right there. I mean, come on, that's a lot of money for a trader. Somebody that buys here, let's get started. Okay, up, 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 up. Boom, comes back. What do we say? 72 and a quarter. Got a magnet right there. Buy it. Because they're not going to let it fall after all this. It's going to be protected. Probably get to the 88 at least. End of the day, position squaring. Coming into 4 o'clock. My suggestion, leave it be. Longs have no right to any more. And the shorts, if you have not done it by now, why risk 2 to make 2? You're better off risking 2 to make 10 or 12 or 15. What you can do in a primary trade, but probably not end of day. And normally we will not close at the highs of the day or the lows. So my suggestion, leave it be. Anyways, this is, how we trade. These are the things. Yeah, you're very welcome, Anthony. So using today's spreadsheet, which I have not completed, I'll have to do that later. Just got so messed up with connection problem. But, I do that for one reason, because those numbers are solidly in my mind. But I can do it without writing down and without putting them in the spreadsheet. But I find the act of entering them into the market just kind of cements them into my brain. And it's still my belief that, even pullbacks, they want to take out this high. That's my feeling. They just don't want traders getting position. So we'll probably take out that high, that 1801 high, before we come back and take out these lows. And we've got a lot of sideways trading in between.